The kip swing is used in multiple different gymnastic movements and progressions. Before trying the kip swing, it's important to review 3 different positions. First is active shoulders in the hang. When hanging from the bar, you want to keep your shoulders depressed and tight to your body, rather than simply hanging loose. Second is the hollow body position. The hollow body should have the abs crunched with a flat lower back, feet together and in front of the body, and arms over and slightly in front of the head. And third is the Superman position, which is basically the opposite of the hollow. You want your back extended and both your arms and legs reaching slightly behind your body like this. Once you have those positions, you can perform a kip swing by hanging from the bar with active shoulders and begin by pushing your hands forward into the bar. This pushes your body back and into a hollow body position. As you begin to leave the hollow position, your body will slightly swing forward, in which time you extend into the Superman position before swinging back into the hollow position and repeat. With a little practice on timing, the kip swing should feel fluid and natural in no time.